Hello, my dear children. Look at this beautiful garden. Someone is hiding in this garden. Can you guess? I will give you a clue. A 9-letter word often seen among flowers likes honey. Who is this? It is a butterfly. 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 If you take your English textbook page number 33, there is an activity. Join the dots. Shall we begin? Okay. Join the dots and find out who is hiding. Can you identify who is this? Yes, it's a butterfly. Then, shall we give colors to them? Which colors do you want? Red. Okay. Red color. Then which color do you want to give? Blue. Okay, blue color. Then which color do you like? Green. Okay. Give some green colors also. Then any other color do you want to give? Yellow. Okay. Give some yellow color also. Now this butterfly looks very beautiful. Okay? Yes. Look at the picture. What do you see? Yes, 3 butterflies. What colors are they? One is red butterfly. One is a yellow butterfly. The third one is a white butterfly. What happened to them? Let us read. 3 butterflies lived in a garden. They were friends. One was white, one red, and one yellow. They played together. They danced together. Together, they sucked nectar from the flowers. New words. Lived, വസിച്ചു. Garden, പൂന്തോട്ടം. Together, ഒരുമിച്ച്. Nectar, തേൻ. Suck, നുകരുക. Let us read once again. 3 butterflies lived in a garden. 3 ചിത്രശലഭങ്ങൾ ഒരു പൂന്തോട്ടത്തിൽ വസിച്ചിരുന്നു. They were friends. അവർ സുഹൃത്തുക്കളായിരുന്നു. One was white, one red and one yellow. ഒന്ന് വെള്ള നിറമായിരുന്നു, മറ്റേതോ ഒന്ന് ചുവപ്പായിരുന്നു, മറ്റൊന്ന് മഞ്ഞ നിറത്തിലും ആയിരുന്നു. They played together. അവർ ഒന്നിച്ച് കളിച്ചു. They danced together. അവർ ഒന്നിച്ച് ഡാൻസ് ചെയ്തു. Together they sucked nectar from the flowers. ഒന്നിച്ച് അവർ പൂന്തേൻ കുടിച്ചു. Sucked nectar എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പൂന്തേൻ കുടിച്ചു. From the flowers. പൂക്കളിൽ നിന്നും പൂന്തേൻ നുകർന്നു. What do you see in this picture? Yes, 3 butterflies and 3 flowers. Okay, my dear cities, read your textbook again and try to find out the answers. Can you say, where did the butterflies live? What did they do together? Can you name the flowers? Okay, children, let us check our answers. Where did the butterflies live? They lived in a garden. What is the second question? What did they do together? They played together. They danced together. They sucked nectar together. Can you name the flowers? Yes. The flowers are lily, sunflower and rose. Okay, children, there is an activity for you. Here are the names of some flowers. They are in jumbled order. Write them correctly. What is the first one? Have you got the flower? Yes, orchid. Then second one. Which is the flower? Lotus. Can you find out the third one? Yes, it is marigold. Then we can go to last one. Which flower is hiding in this letter? Yes, shoe flower.